Did you know that every percentage you see is secretly a fraction? Let's decode percentages and fractions like never before. A fraction is a way of representing part of a whole. Fractions are written as two numbers, one over the other. The number on top is called the numerator. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. A percentage is a fraction with the denominator 100. 100 is always the total. For example, 5% means 5 over 100, or 5 out of 100. 90% means 90 over 100, or 90 out of 100. First, converting percentage to fraction. A percentage can be converted to a fraction simply by dividing the percentage by 100%. If x is a percentage, x% can be converted into a fraction by dividing it by 100% to get a fraction a over b. Let's consider some examples. Convert 5% into a fraction. We divide 5% by 100%. Simplifying it gives 1 over 20. Convert 25% into a fraction. 25% over 100%. This gives 1 over 4. Convert 100% into a fraction. 100% over 100%. This gives 1. Convert 120% into a fraction. 120% over 100%. This gives 6 over 5. Now, converting fractions to percentages. A fraction can be converted to a percentage simply by multiplying the fraction by 100%. If a over b is a fraction, a over b can be converted to a percentage by multiplying it by 100% to get x%. Let's consider some examples. Convert 1 over 20 into a percentage. We multiply 1 over 20 by 100%. This gives 5%. Convert 1 over 4 into a percentage. 1 over 4 times 100%. This gives 25%. Convert 1 into a percentage. 1 times 100%. This gives 100%. Convert 1.5 into a percentage. First, we convert 1.5 into an improper fraction. Converting 1.5 into a fraction becomes 3 over 2. Then 3 over 2 times 100%. This gives 150%. Now that you've mastered converting between fractions and percentages, in the next video we'll explore how to add, subtract, and multiply fractions. Stay tuned and keep your curiosity sharp.